Control systems is an interdisciplinary branch of engineering that deals with the dynamic behavior of systems and their regulation. A control system is a mechanism or arrangement that maintains a desired quantity or parameter within a machine, mechanism, or other equipment according to predefined conditions. It consists of a combination of elements arranged in a planned manner, where each component contributes to producing a desired output. A control system is defined as a system of devices and processes designed to manage, command, direct, or regulate the behavior of other devices or systems to maintain a desired output while ensuring stability and accuracy. Controlled variable, the quantity or condition that is measured and regulated in a control system. Manipulated variable, the quantity or condition adjusted by the controller to influence the value of the controlled variable. Normally controlled variable, this is typically the output of the system. Meaning of control. The word control refers to directing or commanding, often interpreted as regulation. Control involves measuring the value of the controlled variable and applying the manipulated variable to adjust the measured value or maintain it within a desired range over time. System components. A plant refers to a piece of equipment or a set of machine parts working together to perform a specific operation. Process. A process is a natural or artificially controlled sequence of operations that progresses continuously through gradual changes to achieve a particular outcome. It can either occur naturally or consist of a series of controlled actions designed to produce a desired result. System and control concepts. System. A system is a combination of components that work together to achieve a specific objective. Systems are not limited to physical ones. They can also include abstract or conceptual models designed to perform a particular function. Disturbances. A disturbance is any unwanted signal or influence that negatively affects the output of a system. If the disturbance originates within the system, it is called an internal disturbance. If the disturbance comes from outside the system, it is known as an external disturbance and acts as an input. Feedback control. Feedback control refers to an operation that, in the presence of disturbances, works to reduce the difference between the system's output and a given reference input. It adjusts the system based on this difference to maintain desired performance. Only unpredictable disturbances are typically considered in feedback control, as predictable or known disturbances can be compensated for within the system design.